the Hot 100 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So you represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations.
What's so truly important about this is that the Global #1 campaign featured artists, the #1 artists from around the world, from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise!
Yes.
Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang OPM. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Congratulations, girls! There's your award! Kindly accept it. There you go. Deserve ng Beanie. Tama ba yun? So girls, after hearing all of that, anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
Siyempre, gusto ko lang mag-thank you, Billboard Philippines, for giving us a platform para ma-showcase yung talents namin. Kasi Billboard Philippines, andyan sila palagi kapag may bago kaming songs, may bago kaming achievements. Ano ba? Thank you! Kasi, ano ba yun? Thank you kasi, etong Philippine Arena, hello, sino ba namang hindi pangarap ang makapag-perform sa Philippine Arena? And bonus na lang talaga na sold out natin. Diba? Sold out. Last day ng selling ng tickets and na sold out natin. Grabe!